Why are you gay?
Hey my friends. In this video we take the song Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter and we turn it into a modern Afro House track in the style of black coffee. And I show you everything in detail. Let's go. For the first step we need to take the acapella and I adjust the tempo from 104 to 112 BPM. Make sure to set your vocal to stretch pro so it stretches and adjust the correct pitch automatically.
Think about me every night, oh, is it that sweet? I guess so.
And now my boys we need to make some chords. If you are lazy like me I just take piano chord samples that fit to the key of the track. I think this one fits good. I stretch it to the grid. And I take another one for more variation. And I also stretch it to the correct tempo. Set it to stretch pro mode. Let's check if it fits to the vocal my boys.
Think about me every night, oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso.
I think it fits superb. Let's add a kick. Select the brush tool to easily set the kick like this. And for the next part we create the maybe most signature part of Afro House. This genre really lives from its groove. The African influence makes it super rhythmic, and the groove overall is a bit more complex and creative than in other electronic dance music genres. So I like to add a variety of different style of loops, to really set a nice groove. Watch how I do it. Set it on grid.
I can't relate to desperation.
Some more. Maybe this one. Oh yes. Let's mix it a bit. I think one more. I make a little gap here. Cut out lows to make room for the kick. Let's check the groove. Oh yes, that groove is sick. Now let's add a clap. This sounds so African. Now let's take a bass preset and make a bass line. I cut out the lows to have a clean sub bass. Add sidechain to make room for the kick. I think something like Synth Chords would make it more emotional. Oh yes. I cut out the lows. Odd compression. Sidechain. And a cool Pluck preset will lift this whole track up. This one. I try to write a very simple rhythmic melody. Guys, Afro House isn't that melodic. Even the melodies are more about the rhythm. Let's check it.
Think about me every night, oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso.
Sidechain. Stereo enhancer. And some mixing. And watch how I set up a nice delay. Simple as this my boys. I think we could also add a nice Afro House style lead. This one could fit good. Let's check it.
Think about me every night, oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso.
And what is also signature for Afro House are these nice sequences for more rhythm. I layer it with a nice Kalimba one shot. Something like this. It needs some compression, of course sidechain, some EQ. Let's check real quick. I like the emotional groove, man. And a texture on top. Nice. To make it sound more expensive, he'll add a chord sound with a nice rhythm. And it opens up with a cutoff filter. It goes like this. Maybe we need 1 drum loops more to make it perfect. Yay, this one. And for the last part, 1 add a bouncy bass sound with a better rhythm so the drop feels more dancey. Oh yes. But this bass needs some distortion. And also OTT compression, my boys. And sidechain. And my friends, before we are checking the final result, I have something truly amazing for you. You can download this entire FLP with all the used samples and presets for absolutely free. All the sounds I used for this project is from my upcoming producer pack called The Continent. It's a huge Afro House style sample pack coming with more than 1,000 sounds in 13 different packs. You will get Serum presets, Synth 1 presets, and even Diva presets. You will get high quality drum samples, 199 crazy authentic African style bongo and shaker loops. You will get 18 original vocal hooks sung by a real African man. And guys, you will get so much more. It's absolutely crazy. With downloading this FLP, you automatically joining the waiting list, so we'll get a notification when the pack drops on the 22nd of February. Stay tuned for it, my boys. And now, let's check the final result.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fuck, or on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I got him. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfumed it for you. Yes, I know I nothing do it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed it for you. Yes, one touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso. Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso. Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me Espresso.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.